was just pure girlhood, nature, very calm vibes, swimming in the lake, hiking, just being by yourself. I'm so happy to come back again. It's Friday, bags are packed. Unfortunately, I have to go to work before that. My girls are also working today, so we're meeting after work and we're taking a bus to Kristiansand. I don't know, guys, if you can hear that, but I'm a bit sick, but honestly, it doesn't affect my mood anyhow. So now I'm gonna have a little breakfast and then head out to the library because I have to print some stuff that I want to bring with me. Since I'm studying Korean right now, I still want to practice. Brought a book to read with me and I brought my studying materials, so I want to bring some more. I will be so happy if you will stay until the end of this vlog.
Alle passasjerer.
Oh my days! Who is that?
Hvor er din tubetopp? Hvor er din tubetopp? Den er så... Ja, vi har pizzamel.
Yeah, we are ready. Ice cream.
Hadde du TV?
Yeah.
And the youngest one was 6. Wow, this watermelon.
Vi plantet jo dette her for en stund siden. Så her, ja, her er det gulrøtter. Så her har vi mine gulrøtter. Forskjellige, jeg vet ikke, jeg husker nesten ikke.
Oi, wow!
Og her er det mais som kommer til høsten. Yes.
Wow. Okay. This is over butter. Det er første gang jeg ser gulrøtter også. Hvor da? Daylight.
That's a bit car for.
Yes. This is the most fun.
Ja.
Kartong.
Ja.
Skal vi spille?
Det er kjempefint. When we go to the car.
Vi har lov til å plukke det. Go to breakfast. Alt jeg tenker på banan. Wow. Very proper. Wow, the bottom.
Yeah. Wow. I haven't actually looked for it.
There's butter here, guys. Det er sånn
i dag. Daniella! Holder du bakover? Ja. Og så...
Rain.
Beautiful winter.
Oi.
Carrots.
Smake? Vil dere smake?
Kaçantende. Ja, ja. Oh, sexy.
Oh, it's so cute.
2, 3. You will have such a nice view from... We are literally cooking something up.
Bye bye, girlies.
Bye, and then we will live our monk life.
Oh yeah, let's go. Hike, 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 hike. Hike, hike, hike.
Excited, bro. Excited, bro.
Look at this girl. Hippie.
Juicy fatty ones. I love that.
Focaccia with the view.
Eating in nature. That's amazing. The freedom.
Oh yeah. And we are like just using the resources that Mother Nature gave us.
Men jeg har fått gjesten sin med alle.
For the vlog! Oh.
For today. Veggery. Det store her hvis det var.
Oh yeah. Det er så fint. Det er en til. We can bring an apple too or nectar. It smells so good. Goodbye. Bye-bye. En vanlig butikk først.